The first thing I want to mention and throw out there is that Ipsy has a problem with like their packaging coming open in the mail. I know I've had that problem, but this month was extra sticky, tacky. The packaging was perfect. I cannot complain about that, so I am thankful for that. Now let's get right into what's inside the packaging. Is the Glam bag itself. I am loving the cheetah print vibes. I love cheetah print. If you know me, if you watch my channel, you know I love cheetah print, so I'm loving this. And truth be told, that's the only reason I got November's, because I was going to cancel November. I did cancel December, and you will see why. But yes, I do love the cheetah print bag itself. I was a little disappointed. I'm not going to lie. I was a little disappointed when you sit here and see this right here. Yes, it was a little stuck into my bag and it was a little bent and all that stuff, but you know, easy fix, not such a big deal. I'll move on, my life will go on. But I did play around with that a little bit because I was like, oh no, I'm a perfectionist. I like everything perfect. So let's get right into what's actually inside the bag itself. As you can see, it's not that much. It's sample size products. So first, the brush. I did get a makeup brush. I can never complain when I get makeup brushes because I love makeup brushes, and you just can't go wrong with makeup brushes, in my opinion. Now the card itself this month, and Wild Side was the theme, and it has all of your products that you got this month listed inside the little pamphlet that you get. I do keep my cards. Comment below if you keep all your cards as well, and hashtag hoarder status. But yeah, the card, it was cute this month. It was kind of plain, but it was cute still. Now, I'm just going to get right into the products and tell you all the products I was very disappointed in. I am not even going to lie, I was very disappointed in my products this month. And the size of them, even though it's just a $12 bag, but this is a product that I picked that I wish I did not pick now. It was my choice product, and yeah, I kind of wish I did not pick it, but I am thankful that it did have the little concealed packaging on top of it, so you know that's not been tampered with. And I'm still picking the glue from the package itself off, so again, appreciate the tackiness of the actual packaging. This is just not my shade at all, and it's way too dark, and it came off kind of like orangish, so I wasn't really into this. I wish I did not pick this product. I wish I would pick something else. I'm very disappointed that my choice product turned out to be this, even though I picked it myself, so who else do I have to blame but myself? And again, it's travel size and sample size products. This month is the only full size product I got was the brush. Like, I have always been an Ipsy fan. I loved Ipsy. I've always supported Ipsy. I've always done spoolers of Ipsy. I'll continue to do my spoolers of Ipsy, but I have paused December's Ipsy Plus and Ipsy Glam bag, and I'm very thankful I have not got the Ultimate yet. Comment below if you're still hating your Ultimate, because I want to know if it's getting better, if you like it more, because I know a lot of you have not liked your Ultimates. But yeah, I'm just not feeling this month's bag, and at this point I'm like, ugh. This one wasn't even sealed, but you know, not all products come sealed, extra sealed. So I get kind of iffy about that. That's just my personal preference. Now this one here was sealed. You know, no chance it's been tampered with. So I was happy for that again. But I'm just really OCD about that. Like, I don't like products that have the accessible tops to them that you can just play around with and you don't know who's played with it and all that stuff. That's just me, my personal preference. But now, this is the only collab product I got this month. Well, I did get something in my Plus, which I liked a lot better than I did in my Ipsy here, but I will be posting my Ipsy Plus review, what I got in my bag, very soon, so stay tuned for that as well. Now this product here, I am actually, okay, I'll take that back. I like the brush, and then I like this one here too. These are the two products that I did prefer the most in my Plus, no, in my Glam bag. Sorry, this is not the Plus. But yeah, you can see it's really, it's shimmery. I love it. and I'll probably use it. It's extra shimmery, so I might actually use that on top of my eyeshadow or something, get creative. Who knows what I come up with. So yeah, that is actually all the products I got for $12 this month plus tax. And I was just, overall, I was disappointed. I don't know how you guys feel. If you liked your Ipsy Glam bag this month, comment below. Let me know what products you got that I got that you liked. Comment below what products you got that I got that you don't like, and comment below what kind of products you got all in general. Just comment below, let me know, interact with me, because I am having giveaways here very soon. I have a lot of giveaways coming up. As soon as I reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm almost halfway there, and once I get there, I will be doing giveaways back to back, and I will be giving back to you guys. So just make sure you subscribe, comment, interact, because I will be doing shout out notifications. I'll be doing post notification. I guess shout out and post notification, same thing. Anyway, follow all my socials. And yeah, I'm getting a little sick if you can't tell. I don't feel the best in the world today, but I wanted to push this video out for you guys. I'm going to give you additional information here to my giveaway. So as always, guys, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in my very next video.